Dave here, how are you? I'm a little bit out of character today, but I thought I'd just share something with you while I'm working on this box. How good is it coming along? Okay, so here I have a bit of a dent in it. I've put a circle around it. We'll go to Calcam and I'm going to show you how to sweat a dent out. This works well with softwoods, not as good with hardwood. Okay. You may or may not be able to see this dent here. I'll take a photo of it and throw it on so you can see it better with the video. Now there are a couple of cuts. There's one cut in it. Hopefully it will disappear. All right, I've just put this on the tap. You can see I'm dripping water there. I'll give it a little rub and we'll put this on top. I'm going to use the iron and steam it. Let's see what's happened. Nearly totally up. A bit more there, as I said, there's a cut there, and that's going to slow me up a little bit. I feel nothing there. There is that just the slightest dent where the fibres were cut, but the dent was there and down there and here. They've all gone. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye.